Get started, question, give you a thumbs up. Today I'm going to show you, but I don't have any fidgets. But maybe I do now because I got some fidgets now. My mom let me buy 4 fidgets. Which this is just one. Yes, that's my mommy. Which this is just one, but I have a unicorn one, puppet, dinosaur one, puppet, snapper.
Show them how it works.
Just need a snap, snap, snap. Oh, yeah. Oh wait, stop. Okay, there we go. And you just need to pop this one. This one you just need to pop with your fingers. Here's the loud side, guys. Hold on. Just need to pop all of this on the back.
Sit down so they can see you.
Oh yeah. So my head is just gonna cut up, just like shit. It's working good, mommy. Don't worry. Okay. Here's the loud side. I can see from here where I'm popping actually. The baby one's so cute. This one's very cute because, mommy, this parent one's very cute because look, this has the little one here.
Yeah.
It's very cute. Oh, yes. So comment down below which fidget do you like? I see where I'm popping actually. Just gonna finish this popping. Also, Julian will have one of these, and also Sila, my best friend, and a unicorn one. Here's not the loud side, but yeah, here's not the loud side, but it just sounds. This is kind of pretty hard to, you know, like press it, but whatever you call it. Don't comment on my video. And here's the loud side. This is very annoying.
No, wait, Papa. Let her black first.
You can drink in the living room.
Keep on vlogging.
And this one, and the dinosaur one is also. Comment down below which puppet you like. These two are also puppets. This flamingo one, it's not flamingo, and the snapper, a clipper, snapper. Yeah, that's my daddy. You can't see him right now because he's naked. He's not wearing a shirt. But it's fine because you know, because it's fine. So which fidget do you like? Wait, where did my snapper go? At least I still have. Wait a second. Where did my unicorn go? At least I still have this flamingo. That's some of my favorite. Where did this go? This is my only fidget. I hope it doesn't disappear. Wait a second. I think I know what it is. Because I see something. I found my whole fidget. I might have to grab you. I'm going to tell my mom that I have to grab you. Mommy? Mommy? I might have to grab the phone. Yeah. I see something. I might have to grab you. Let's go, Andre. Okay. I got my dinosaur puppet. I got it. I'm gonna get my rest of the fidgets down here. Okay, wait for me. Got number 2. Got number 3. won't disappear anymore because that was kind of weak.
Okay, what can this fidget or pop it do for you? Can you sit down, please?
Yes, it just fell down. This one is very, very soft. It can softly pop. This one is hard to pop. Feel it.
Okay.
And the unicorn one is hard to pop.
So what is that makes for you? Make you happy? Make you what?
This one is for
Makes you healthy. What?
This one is for exercising for your hands. This one's exercising for your hands. It looks. Are you joking? I got it. That was. Oh God.
I think it's for stress reliever, right? Yeah.
Yeah, Mommy, which one do you like? This one's very soft.
I like the unicorn one.
I like the pear one because.
Did you show them how it works?
Yeah. The pear one I'm so obsessed with because it's very, very soft. I can see where I'm popping now, just like what I said today. I'm so obsessed with. Comment down below which fidget you like, because I think you're going to love this fidget because it's very, very soft to pop, but you can see where it's popping. I already popped that. It's just coming through like. Here's the loud side. Here's not the loud side. My little finger is just sticking out. Okay, I just need to. Oh. I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with this fidget. Like, oh geez. Hold on, guys. I'm just going to check on my daddy.
You have to finish that one.
Hold on. I just need to check on my daddy, guys. I just need to check on my dad. So, also this is very, very cool. If you do like this, and it will just literally just come to this one. It will just literally come to the screen. Look. See, guys? It's when you do like this, you'll see one coming out. See? See, guys? That's so cool. You should try it. If it doesn't work for you, it's fine. Also, I'll tell you the secret. You just need to just do like this, then that. So yeah. Do you like the spare one because it has a little like beak inside? I think. Okay, I don't want to say this again, but. Okay, do you want to tell me all of my faces, guys? Okay, that was not good. Here's my snapper. Dinosaur one, it's pretty hard to, Unicorn one, just like Julianne. And a pear one. Also, it's not fair that the other people get more, but I don't. It's kind of not fair. Mommy, wait, can I tell you something? I need to know something. Mommy, why is it not fair that the other people get to have more fridges, but I don't?
Because they are rich. We are not rich.
No, they're not rich that much.
They are rich.
No, they're not.
How they buy so much fidget like that?
But one of them does not have fidgets,
Even you have few, you must be thankful. Tell
Okay.
them, because at least you got something.
You heard what my mom said? You heard what my mom said? That's actually thankful of my mom to say that into my vlog. Also, just stop and just kind of stop playing your fidgets. And can you just hit the subscribe button and share and follow and like and share whatever you hold it. Okay? Whatever you're doing, just stop and just... Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get a stop sign. I'm just gonna spell something on my thing. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Just need to do a little operation. Just gonna write something. I'm just gonna write something in the paper to you guys. Okay, you have to guess what I'm reading. Can you just stop right now? I can see that you have in not. You heard what I said? Can you please stop and like and follow and share? Also, guys, by the way, I bet I can pop all of these before you like, follow, and share. Hold on. Okay. Also, I can do the snapper. How much I want? Okay. Hold on. 3. Wait. 3. Wait. 3. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This number can do whatever I want. Wait, I need to just pause you. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, 3. Now I'm gonna do the unicorn one. Who won? Because I just finished. Hold on. Okay. Wait. Then one popped over again, so and yeah. Also, I did the snipper clip and the pair one, and this and the snippy dip. I had 10 of these, so. Also, you heard what my mommy said last time today. You gotta respect Jesus. Also, did not even know that Jesus made us girls? My mom told me that. I'm about to I'm learning lots of stuff. Also, guys, I'm gonna look at this. Okay, so if we put a puppet over a puppet, and then we smush it on the puppet that you just put it on. Let's see if this is going to work. I hope it's going to be. Oh, that actually worked. Why am I looking up? Dude. Why is it all new? Why always call me rude? Since I want to do what it was going to. Why always call me rude? Since I want to do what it always coming new. Send this to your bestie now. Why always call me new? Why always call me? Wait, hold on. Just need to pop all of these. Just need to pop. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Send this to your best. Send this to your. Wait. Send this to your best. Okay. Why you always so rude? Why you always call me a noob? I said, tell me what to do. Why you always call me a noob? Why you always call me rude? I said, tell me what to do. Why you always call me a noob? Why you always call me rude? I said, tell me what to do. Why you always call me a noob? Why you always call me a noob? I said, tell you what to do. Why you always calling you? Why you always calling you? Nice.
You're done.
Nice.
Say bye na to your
You
subscribe.
know what to do? Say awesome and share the love. Peace.